Welcome. If you're trying to send photos or videos through Gmail on your phone but can't seem to access your gallery, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to allow Gmail access to your photos and videos updated for 2025. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to the Settings app. This is where you control all the permissions and preferences for your device. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps, or sometimes it might be called App Management depending on your device. Tap on Apps, and you'll see a list of every app installed on your phone. Scroll through the list until you find Gmail, then tap on it to open the app settings. Inside the Gmail app settings, look for the option called Permissions. This is where you decide what Gmail can and cannot access on your device. Now, you'll see a list of different permissions like camera, contacts, and more. Find the one that says Photos and Videos. Tap on it, and you'll be given a few options. To allow Gmail to access your photos and videos, select Allow. This gives Gmail the ability to view and attach media files from your gallery whenever you're composing an email. That's it. You've now enabled Gmail to access your photos and videos. The next time you want to attach a picture or a video to an email, just tap the attachment icon in Gmail, and you'll be able to browse your gallery with no problem. If you ever want to change this permission, just follow these same steps and select Don't Allow instead. Managing your app permissions is a great way to keep control over your privacy and make sure your apps work the way you want. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.